In this video, we're showcasing VEO3, Google's next-generation text-to-video AI. This powerful tool can turn simple text prompts into stunning, high-quality videos in just a few steps. We'll start by opening Google Gemini. In the chat box, you can type something like "create a prompt for VEO3." Gemini will generate a detailed prompt based on your input. Now in a new tab, go to VEO3.ai. This is where you actually create the videos. On the homepage, you'll see some of the key features of VEO3, including realistic audio generation, lip sync that matches speech, physics-based motion, and the ability to use multiple input prompts. It also works with the Flow app and is part of Google's Vertex AI. To get started, you need to sign up or log in. You can continue with your Google account to make it easier. Once you're signed in, click Start Create Now. You'll see options like Fast Mode, Normal Mode, and History. Now let's begin creating our first video. In the text-to-video box, we'll paste this prompt: a cinematic aerial shot of a futuristic city at sunset, flying cars zipping by, ultra-detailed buildings reflecting golden light. This prompt was chosen to highlight VEO3's cinematic rendering, motion consistency, and scene details. Next, choose the video duration, quality, and aspect ratio according to your needs. After that, click on Generate Video. You'll see that the video starts generating. Once it's done, press play to see the final result. Now let's go back to Google Gemini and try typing the same prompt to compare the result. Once Gemini finishes generating the video preview or text description, you can check how it aligns with the one created in VEO3. You can also try generating a new prompt. For example, a close-up of a single raindrop hitting a still pond, creating perfect expanding ripples. Copy and paste it into VEO3 and generate another video to see how well it captures natural emotion. These were just a few examples of what VEO3 can do. Want to try it yourself? We've included a list of tested, high-performing prompts in the video description to help you get started quickly.